Welcome back to another video. My name is Raffay Alvi, aka the Crypto Network, and today we are on episode 4 on the complete crypto guide for beginners. As you guys know, my entire goal and incentive is to be able to educate and inform and provide all this content for all of you guys to learn throughout this bear market. One of the most important things I've learned is that the people who genuinely want to learn will be learning no matter the situation of the market. So hopefully this helps you guys understand. Make sure to watch all the previous videos prior to this video. This is episode 4. And today's video is going to be market cap, supply, and understanding the value of a crypto. What is a crypto? How can it adapt and move forward? And how does the market cap and supply have any value to the actual crypto? Now, early in the video series, we realized that we were looking at cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum, and we saw that the market cap is $196 billion, and we saw that the circulating supply is 121 million Ethereum. So yeah, I just realized 121.8 million and 195 billion market cap. So things that you want to look for when you're looking into a crypto is low caps will make you the most amount of money or lose you the most amount of money. Large caps will make you the slowest amount of money, or can also make you a steady amount of money over time. It's just how things work. Low cap means a market cap if it's in a couple million versus a large cap, which is a couple billion, right? The higher the market cap, the harder it is for it to really affect the price to crash too hard. And the higher the market cap is also the more difficult it is for the value of the crypto to keep shooting up. So, for example, if we go back and look at Bitcoin, we see that it's a $435 billion market cap. So if Bitcoin's market cap goes up by $5 billion, it's not going to affect the price of Bitcoin by too much. Whereas if something we were to look at on a lower spectrum, on a lower market cap, if we go to the millions versus the billions, right? If something like Gala were to shoot up by 400 million market cap versus something like Bitcoin were to shoot up by 400 million, it would not really be as effective. But if Gala goes up 400 million market cap, that's double the market cap of Gala currently, which means that Gala would actually 2x. People often forget that you shouldn't be looking at, oh, it's 5 cents, oh, it's 1 penny. And this is something that many people learned the hard way throughout crypto was with Dogecoin. When Dogecoin was 1 penny, everybody thought that you could get to $1 like this. People thought it was very easy. Now, granted, it did get to 60 something cents, 70 cents, I believe, almost 70 cents. And we can always check how high something is, and the high something guys right here on the bottom right, all-time high 73 cents, all-time low 7 years ago up 76,968 percent from its low. So again, if Dogecoin, the only way for Dogecoin to double in this case would if 8.749 billion market cap were to double. So again, if Gala were to shoot up by 405 million, that's an entire 2x, 100% gain on Gala. So it's very important to understand market cap and supply and why it's important, because, well, you have to look at things from a different perspective whenever you're investing, right? If we see that Gala, if we look at the all-time high and see the chart of Gala, it was at one point, it was 4.95 billion market cap versus 400 million market cap. So again, you can always do the math and see, hey, how does this affect the price? Well, again, we can tell that if Gala went from 400 million to 4.5 billion, well, in our head, we can easily come to a conclusion by doing math, it 10x'd. So you can see that if you look at the market cap and you look at this, you can see it's done numbers, then it is definitely going to it affects the price accordingly. You can see that the math will give you 10x this price, will give you 10x the market cap. And again, you can always filter market cap right here, and you can see, well, this project right now is down. It is 1/10 of the price it currently was at its all-time high. So investing into a cryptocurrency it is very important to see, okay, what is its supply, what is its total supply, and what is market cap. So that's very important. And also trading volume. If it's being actively traded, are investors and traders constantly talking about it, constantly trading it? And Gala is one of the ones where, hey, it has $500 million worth of trading volume on a day-to-day basis. It has $513 million right now in trading volume versus its market cap. So it can go up slowly, but it will take some time. It's not going to astronomically go up like this. But we can see that in bear markets, we can see which cryptos are affected the most. This is 1/10 of the price. And again, the lower the market cap, the more amount of money you can make. We'll use something as an example that I've looked at in the past. We can say Glitch. When we first discovered this project, and we discussed in the crypto community description around 90 cents, and we can see that, hey, from the 90 cents, it did go up and shoot to about, the 52-week high was 574. So the all-time high was 574 of Glitch. And we can see that now it's down so much. But however, it has a much higher chance, like something if you are interested. Now, low caps are the most riskiest. Again, I don't trade low caps anymore. But low caps are the most riskiest investments to really partake, because you can make a shit ton of money from Glitch if this goes up 10x. If it goes to $60 million market cap, you make a 10x, right? So you can make money fast, but it all depends on the market cap, the circulating supply. You want to see, hey, what is their trading volume? And the trading volume for this specific project we're looking at is not the best. So it probably won't be a smart idea to invest into something like this that doesn't even have over 100,000 trading volume. In fact, the fact that it doesn't even have over 500,000 trading volume is very bad indicator. But again, we can also see that circulating supplies is very important too, because 89% circulating supply, which means over a period of time, the amount of crypto tokens for the specific crypto will only be released by 11%. So there's only 11% chance of more cryptocurrency, this project specifically, Glitch tokens, to be released to the public. Whereas projects like Chainlink, where we look at it, it has 100, I believe, which one was it? Request. Yeah, Request. Projects like Request have 100% circulating supply. Now, this is around a mid cap to a low cap. I would classify this as a mid cap myself personally. Now, you can see that something like a Request is a mid cap, has trading volume of 5.3 million, which is I would say very good comparative to other cryptocurrencies around the same market cap. I mean, you can always go and compare, right? Go look at a project on CoinMarketCap. Again, guys, this website is coinmarketcap.com for anyone who is interested. And you can go and see, hey, well, let me see the lowest market cap, right? Let me go look at how the other trading volume projects are doing and how well they are doing. So you can see a lot of these projects actually have decent amount of trading volume on a daily basis. In fact, Request is only one of the ones that has one of the lowest comparative to some of these. I mean, there's also Orbs 3.6, but this is some pretty good trading volume for 100 million market cap. So Request, the reason why something like Request would have a higher chance of going up on pumps is because simply the fact that it's 100% circulating supply. So if a whale, and again, we'll decide, we will have a whole video about what whales are, inside trading. A whale comes around with a couple $100,000 and decides, hey, I'm a multi-millionaire, I'm a multi-billionaire. A couple $1 million versus a couple $100,000 is not going to be too much relatively to me, right? I like this project. I'm just going to go and see, hey, well, is it on Coinbase? Is it on Binance? Is it on the three elites, right? Is it on Coinbase, Binance, KuCoin? The three elites, what I like to call them. Then it has good amount of liquidity, and we can always see, hey, confidence and liquidity levels are pretty good for this project. So Request, using all this information, we can see the reason why 100% circulating supply can be very relatively important to know is because, well, if it has 100% circulating supply, it means that the price can be affected quickly, right? So if I were to go make a big purchase Request right now of a couple $100,000, the price would be affected directly. So that's why Request is one of those projects that has pumps and pumps and pumps, and also has dumps and dumps and dumps, because if whales buy, whales also sell. So overall, the market cap, low caps have the highest risk and the highest reward, and the large caps are slow and steady, wins the race type scenarios, right? Whenever the markets crash, and whenever the markets recover, the first ones to start recovering are the large caps, because that's the ones where investors throw their money into the pot, I would say the pot of gold, right? Anything in the top 100, these cryptocurrencies are the first ones to start skyrocketing throughout every bull run whenever the return happens, because investors, big investors, they don't like risking big money on cryptocurrencies that aren't backed by anything big, right? They have a much higher chance to go, the reason why billionaires and multimillionaires like buying Bitcoin is because, well, they're betting on the long-term picture. They're betting on the fact, well, hey, if everyone thinks crypto is going to go up, I might as well just be safe with my money and just buy Bitcoin at 20K, because if Bitcoin goes to 40K, I double my money. So essentially, the whales and all the big people, the big player money, they like investing into large caps. That's why people talk about Ethereum, Bitcoin, BNB, and even XRP. There's a reason why so many people talk about XRP, Solana, Cardano. A lot of these people even talk about Dogecoin because, well, they have set themselves on the bigger picture, which is, hey, long-term growth. If everyone believes crypto is going to go up, I might as well play my card safe and invest into the large caps. And that's what these top 50 to 100 cryptos are. But again, the low caps and the mid caps are the ones where, hey, you will get more X's in a sense where, hey, if I have 100,000, I have a higher chance of that 100,000 turning into 500,000 because I'll get a 5X on a low cap to a mid cap play. But if I invest into Bitcoin, a couple $1 million, well, even if Bitcoin goes to $100,000, right? Even if it goes to $100,000, that's only maybe a 4 to 5X only, right? And think about it, all the hype, all the interest, all the availability for crypto and adoption around the world, and only getting 100,000, that's a pretty big push that they're trying to aim to achieve. But because they are long-term investors, it doesn't bother them. That's why people like the big people, the big celebrities, the big players, they like investing in the Ethereum, Bitcoin, and BNB and all these other players because they're like, hey, all these other guys, they're going to keep the wheel moving. I'm going to be at the top enjoying my wealth slow and steady without all the risk. It has the lowest risk and the highest probability of being safe. So that's explaining market cap, supply, and how to bring value to a crypto and how to understand it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And again, this is the complete crypto guide for beginners. My name is Raffay, and make sure, if you guys have not already, be sure to join the Crypto Network Discord. You guys can always get all the information right here. Once you join in, you can see everything right here. And all the how to join VIP and all the information, all that will be in the description. Once you are inside the Discord, let me see why I cannot. Yeah, once you're inside, you can also chat with everybody up in the general discussion. And again, if you do want to join the VIP club, you guys can click the link in my bio, and it'll take you to this page, which is my website. You can click learn to know more about me and myself and what the Crypto Network is. As always, not financial advice, just here to educate and inform everybody. And I'm taking time out of my life to make sure I can push out these videos. And again, if you want to learn more, you can join the VIP club, which is a monthly $40 a month, and the lifetime, which is only a one-time payment. We do have over 2,000 members in the lifetime. We have over 6,000 overall in the Discord. So make sure you guys join if you want to support me further. I don't do any paid promos or sponsored content, but again, I will be continuously pushing out this free educational content for you guys. So if you don't have the money to support me and you do not want to, feel free to just watch this video, like the video, subscribe. That means more than enough than anything. So I will see you in the next video in episode 5 of the Complete Crypto Guide for Beginners. Love you guys.